Good morning to each and everyone. Good morning. Okay, this morning I am going to show to you a non-magnetic meteorite, guys. See, this is a non-magnetic meteorite, as you can see in this picture, guys. Okay, yes, that is a non-magnetic meteorite. Okay, so this is a stony meteorite. Okay, let's focus on its textures, guys. Okay. That is the textures of a meteorite because it came from the outer space. This is from the galaxy, guys. Okay? This is a non-magnetic meteorite. Okay? If you have stone like this, just show to me. Okay? Stone collectors out there. Okay, I think this is for you. Okay, if you're interested on this meteorite, non-magnetic meteorite, okay, you can just send me direct message. Okay? This is the textures of this kind of meteorite. Okay, let us focus. That one. Okay. Then observe its texture. Okay, this side here. This kind of a stone is not common old stone here in the earth crust, guys. This is not common. Okay? This is quite big also. There's a yellowish here. Okay. I try it to a diamond tester. Its density is going to 9 to 10. Okay, like a diamond, guys. Okay. Okay. All right, let's focus. Okay. Okay. There are also thumbprints here like that here. Thumbprints. There are thumbprints and a fusion crust. White flecks are here above. Okay, here. Fusion crust because it goes down in this form like here, then this is at the back. Okay, that's why this side here is the principal part of in friction or bumping to the other stone. Okay, other meteorite from the outer space. Okay, let's focus. That is the appearance of the fusion crust of this non-magnetic meteorite. Okay? Like this. Okay? We have a stone like this. Okay. For those who are interested, collectors here, I think this is for you. There is silver also, guys. Oh? Okay, there is gold. There are so many minerals composed of this kind of non-magnetic meteorite. Okay? Yeah, like this. Okay, let's focus here. There is gold, there is silver, there is black, there is blue, there is yellow with complete color here. Okay, like this, guys. Okay. Yeah. What kind of mineral composed on this kind of a stone. Okay, like this. Alright, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and our Facebook page Onyx Black, a stone blogger. Okay, thank you very much and good afternoon.